Welcome back to the Dorky and 40 channel. This is Chad. This is a flight video of my perfect brat build video. If you haven't seen the build and the setup and you're interested in that, I'll go ahead and put a link right up here in the corner for you to check that out. This is about a 5-minute video, just cruising around. Got my brat set up just as a proximity monster. Little bit of light freestyle. Finally hit that magic number that I'm happy with. The video quality looks good. I've added a little bit of saturation only and balanced my color curves in Adobe Premiere. The video has been rendered in 4K and then uploaded to YouTube in 4K in order to minimize the compression that we get from the lower bitrate camera. So it gets a little bit more interesting towards the end, so you might want to skip ahead. Enjoy that funky music.